There are a few steps to embedding your Twitter feed into your Niihka course site. The first step is actually going into Twitter and creating the widget that's going to do this. So go to twitter.com. If you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up. Otherwise, go ahead and log in with your username and password. And then up in the top left-hand corner, there's a little gear. You're going to click on that and choose Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a link that says Widgets. And that's what we're going to actually create, is a widget that shows your Twitter feed so that you can paste it into your Niihka site. This page shows you all of the widgets you already have created. For this training, we're going to create a new one. So we're going to click Create New at the top. This page lets you select what kind of a widget you're going to show. You can choose from user timeline, favorites, list, or search. For this, we're going to choose search because I already have a hashtag that I use for my course. And what I want to do is show a Twitter feed of all the posts on Twitter involving this specific hashtag. So in the search query, we're going to type in hashtag, and mine is IMS201 Miami U. And then once you type that in and click off of it, you'll see a preview of some of the posts that fall within that search criteria. There are some other options here that you can customize, but none of them are mandatory. So we're going to click Create Widget at the bottom. What you'll see is a confirmation here that says your widget has been created, and then underneath the widget you'll see some HTML code in a box that's already been highlighted. We're going to copy that code because that's what we're going to paste into Niihka. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and log into Niihka if you haven't already, and find the course site that you're going to use for this widget. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on the resources link, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new HTML page that has this code embedded inside of it. So the very first folder you see will have the name of your course site. The name of this course is Evans MJ Test Site, but next to that folder you'll see an Add button. And if you click on that, you'll get an option that says Create HTML Page. So we're going to click on that. And since we already have the actual code that we need, the top left-hand corner, we're going to click on the button that says Source. And then with that Source button highlighted, inside this text box, we can go ahead and paste the code that we copied from Twitter. And then click Continue at the bottom. For name, we're going to call this Twitter Feed. And then at the bottom of the page, we're going to click on Finish. Now that we have the page created, we want to link this page to the front of our Niihka site. So we're going to scroll down this list and find the Twitter feed page that we just created. And next to it, we're going to click on the Actions button and choose Edit Details. If you scroll down towards the bottom, there's a section that says Web Address and in parentheses URL. We're actually going to copy what is in this box here. Once you have that copied, up at the top of the page, we're going to click on the Home link. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste that information right here in the middle column of our course site. So to do that, we're going to click on the Options button up here at the top. And normally you could type in some information or upload a picture. Since we already have a web page created, there's a box down here that says Site Info URL. And we're just going to paste that link that we copied from the Resources tool into this box. Once you click on Update Options, assuming all has gone well, you will now have a widget on the home page of your course site that shows a feed of all the posts involving this specific hashtag.